Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Photoshop Express mobile app easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Photoshop Express app on your mobile device. Tap on the app icon to open it. Once the app is open, you will see the welcome screen. Look for the option that says sign in or log in. Tap on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you have an Adobe account, input your email address and password here. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. If you don't have an account, you can create one by selecting the Create Account option. Follow the prompts to set up your new account if needed. Once your credentials are entered, tap on the Login button. Wait a moment as the app verifies your information. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to the main interface of Photoshop Express. Now you are ready to start editing your photos. In case you encounter any issues logging in, check your internet connection. You can also try resetting your password if necessary. With these steps, you should have no trouble logging into the Photoshop Express mobile app. Enjoy creating and editing your images with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.